In this lecture, we are going to preview the look of e-commerce WordPress websites that you will build along with me in this course. Like you change wallpapers and themes in your smartphone, you can change the entire look and the user experience of your website by changing themes and adding some plugins. In that manner, we are going to install and use 5 different free themes in our WordPress website. The first theme is So Cute theme. It's a decent e-commerce WordPress theme which is easy to configure and use. No complex setups involved here. But using this theme, you will learn various front-end features of a WooCommerce website. Next theme is Storefront theme. It is the official free theme from WooThemes, the developer of WooCommerce plugin. It looks basic at first, but this theme allows many kind of customizations. Mistyle theme is the third theme that we use. Though this is a free theme from WooThemes, it allows customizations and integrations to such a level even premium themes won't offer. We will configure and customize this theme in and out to bring the best out of it. Next comes Azara Soap. This is the first ready-made free theme that we are going to use out of WooThemes. Once you install and activate this theme, it gives you a premium grade look and feel. Lastly, we use Coffee Aisle theme to check whether our website adheres to the rules of a responsive WordPress website. Not only these ones, you are free to use any free or premium WooCommerce supported WordPress themes on your website. Once you complete this course, you will get the download link to a hand-picked theme collection which can spice up the look of your WordPress websites.